Hello, welcome to the experimental session of Technology of Inorganic Chemicals. In this session, we are going to determine the percentage of carbon dioxide content in a water sample. As the carbon dioxide gets dissolved in water, it will increases its acidity. So, we can titrate or determine this carbon dioxide content by using volumetric analysis method, in which the acid content in a water sample in the form of carbon dioxide is neutralized with the help of base. For this experiment, I have chosen sodium carbonate as a base for titration or neutralization. The concentration of sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is 0.01 normal. For indication of endpoint, the phenolphthalein indicator is used. So I will add 2 drops of indicator in a water sample. This water sample is 50 ml in quantity. So after addition of phenolphthalein, I will titrate the water sample with 0.01 normal Na2CO3 from burette, and the endpoint will be colorless to pink. So the addition of Na2CO3 should be drop by drop to ensure the accurate result of the experiment. So here you can observe the light pink color is developed in a solution. So we can conclude that the titration or the neutralization is completed. So for confirmation of accuracy, we will continue 3 other readings. So first reading is 5.3 ml of Na2CO3. So for next reading, I will refill the burette with sodium carbonate . 50 ml water sample, addition of 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. For accuracy of result, the quantity of phenolphthalein indicator in all reading should be same. So here the titration for second reading, again the faint pink color is developed in a solution, and the reading is 5.2. For next reading, we have to repeat the same procedure. So here the permanent pale pink color is appear in a solution. So titration is completed and the reading is 5.1. So first reading was 5.3, second 5.2 and third one is 5.1. So as we have not got the constant period reading, so we can use the mean of all these three readings and utilize it for determination of the normality of water sample by using the formula N1V1 and N2V2. And by determining the normality of water sample, we can calculate the amount of carbon dioxide present in water by multiplying the normality with the equivalent weight of carbon dioxide, and the equivalent weight of carbon dioxide is 22. So from this formula we can easily determine the amount of carbon dioxide present in water sample in milligrams per liter. Thank you.